Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with eBay detailed guide step by step clearly. First, research the best-selling products in your niche. Use eBay's completed listings to identify items that sell frequently. Focus on categories that interest you and have demand. Next, source your products at low cost. Consider thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces for bargains. Once you have your items, create compelling listings. Use high-quality images that showcase the product from multiple angles. Write clear and detailed descriptions highlighting the benefits and features. Set competitive prices based on market research. After your listings are live, optimize for search. Incorporate relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. Utilize eBay's promotional tools to increase visibility. Offer free shipping when possible to attract more buyers. Monitor your sales and adjust your pricing strategy accordingly. Provide excellent customer service to encourage positive feedback. This will build your reputation on the platform. Reinvest your profits into more inventory to scale your business. Consider using eBay's automated tools for listing and inventory management. This will save you time and streamline your operations. Explore eBay affiliate programs to earn from referring others. Creating an eBay store can also help establish your brand. Experiment with seasonal items to maximize profit during peak times. Stay informed on eBay trends and adapt your strategy. Network with other sellers to share best practices and tips. Evaluate your profit margins carefully to ensure sustainability. With persistence, your passive income can grow significantly. Follow these steps, and watch your eBay income increase over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.